Welcome back, everybody, to WWTA News. That's right, where we talk about news. All right, got some more articles. Let's not waste any time. Let's get in there and find out what's going on, because I know it's a lot. It's a lot going on. All right, first article: Chinese state insurance firm launches two crypto funds in Hong Kong. The new crypto funds reportedly include a venture capital fund called Pacific Water Drip Digital Asset Fund 1, which will focus on investments in early stage blockchain projects. The second fund, the Pacific Water Drip Digital Asset Fund 2, will reportedly manage proof of stake digital assets. According to the report, the new crypto funds will target institutional and wealthy private investors. Okay, according to this report, the new crypto funds will target institutional and wealthy private investors. WaterDrip is a global investment institution supporting blockchain-related projects and crypto startups. It was founded in 2017. WaterDrip is known for supporting the Chinese crypto mining industry and investing in projects like Polkadot-based decentralized Web3 network Peak. ANZ Bank completes carbon credits trading as part of Australia's CBDC pilot. Australia and New Zealand Banking Group Limited, ANZ, has completed the first use case of carbon credit trading as part of Australia's central bank digital currency pilot, the Melbourne headquartered bank announced on Wednesday. Australia's CBDC pilot, run by the Reserve Bank of Australia and Digital Finance Cooperative Research Centre, began last year to explore use cases for a central bank digital currency. The DFCRC is 180 million Australian dollar, US 124 million, program funded by industry partners, universities, and the Australian government. Interesting. Yeah, so hey, we've been hearing about CBDCs around the clock, and yeah, that's what everybody's going to, right? Obviously. It also goes on to say ventures to trade Australian carbon credit units, ACCUs, which are issued by the Australian government's clean energy regulator. ANZ and GCV tested real-world ACCUs by first tokenizing existing ACCUs. And we've been hearing a lot, let me stop there, we've been hearing a lot about assets being tokenized. And so when we look at the blockchain and the technology that it offers, this technology allows these types of things to happen. So whatever these assets may be, clearly, this simplifies things for institutions, businesses, corporations, so on and so forth. But let's continue. ANZ's own stablecoin, ADC, was then used to purchase the tokenized ACCUs. Australia's pilot CBDC was used as a risk-free asset to support the issuance of ADC, the announcement said. Tokenization of carbon markets can reduce settlement time and partnership risk and incentivize investment in climate solutions. Right, so the carbon tokens are just basically a way of paying for your pollution. That's what it all really boils down to. And so it's like if you pay the carbon tax, quote unquote, or buy these carbon tokens, then you're essentially paying for your footprint. That money can then be taken and used to create some way of offsetting in the environment the pollution that you set forth as a business or even consuming energy. So that's a story of its own, but I think the major story here is that it's real, it's alive, they're using the blockchain, and they use the central bank digital currency, Australia's central bank digital currency. So it's all this stuff is being used. It's active, it's being used. There's no confusion here. All right. Next article, Bitcoin adoption. Billion-dollar bank to offer Bitcoin, ETH, XRP, and Litecoin to its customers with this new partnership. A recent announcement from a Switzerland bank-based firm reiterates that the crypto adoption train is not slowing down anytime soon. Obviously. Post Finance, the fifth largest financial service firm in Switzerland, asserts that its customers will be gaining access to crypto. This was made possible after the firm partnered with Sygnum Bank, a prominent digital asset bank in the country. Post Finance disclosed that the firm will provide its customer base with features that will allow them to buy crypto. Customers will also be able to store and sell digital currencies. As it appears, only a select few crypto assets will be offered in the initial stage. Bitcoin, Ethereum are the first two assets users will land on the platform. Customers of Post Finance can expect to trade a large variety of crypto assets, as the list will reportedly be increased as time progresses. I mean, what are we looking at here? It's as these look, we've been reading stories where, you know, banks are becoming digital banks. Banks are allowed to hold cryptocurrencies or digital currencies. And so it's literally unfolding right before our eyes. These articles are the confirmation that that's exactly what's happening. We are moving into the digital asset age. I know everybody might still be shocked about it, but nonetheless, that's what we're moving into, the digital age. It's crazy though. Next article, India targeting 1 million CBDC users in 3 months. Again, prioritizing offline transfer sources. India's retail central bank digital currency, CBDCR, architects are aiming to scale the user base of the digital rupee to 1 million users and have prioritized solving the challenge of creating an offline version. Two people familiar with the matter told CoinDesk. Although RBI officials publicly stated in March they were aiming for 500,000 users by July, 500,000 users by July, they are privately looking to hit double that amount. So they're looking to be at 1 million, right? I mean, so look, we know that these systems were supposed to be in play by March. Yes, that's based on SWIFT. We also know that these banks found out that they didn't need these banks and institutions, they found out that they didn't need all this other stuff when it came to blockchain, because blockchain just cancels out everything and they can get it done themselves. All they got to do is have their program set up running on certain blockchains, and then boom, there it is. So this was coming. This was coming. It was seen way down the road. Most of you should have already seen this, but we've been waiting for all this to happen because we saw it. It was written. It's going to happen. There's no way that the countries, nations, institutions, banks, businesses would not want to use this technology. It simplifies everything. It's mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing. But anyways, these are just confirmation articles. If you need to share with your family, friends, or loved ones, obviously share this stuff. And anyways, man, that's all I got. I'll catch you on the next episode.